each one of you present here. My name is Rishabh Kaur and I am from Sri Balram Residential High School and presenting a seminar on mathematics, working mathematics. So we use mathematics in our everyday life. Its applications are vast ranging from simple equation to day-to-day transactions. We can learn mathematics by using simple tricks, application and practice. We have just need some logical thinking and interest over it. So we all thought that mathematics is a very tough subject, but not aware of some tricks and figures that we can make with numbers to learn it in a funnier way. So my first slide is about the value of pi. We all know that it is very hard to remember the value of pi. So here is one trick to remember it in an easier way. So we just have to remember this sentence. That is how I wish I could calculate pi. So in the sentence we have to see the words, and in the words how many letters are there. So first is how. How consists of 3 letters. So 3. Second word is I. I consists of 1 letter. So 1. The next word is which consists of 4 letters. So 4. And again I consists of 1 letter. So 1. The next word is food. Food has 5 letters. So 5. And the second last word is calculate. Calculate consists of 9 letters. So 9. And the last letter is pi. Pi consists of 2 letters. So 2. So here is the value of pi. That is 3.141592. By remembering this sentence, we can easily remember the value of pi. Next is, this is also similar to that. Here also we have to remember the sentence. So this thing is called the first 3 trigonometric identities. That is sin theta, cos theta and tan theta. So from we have to just remember this sentence. That is, some officers have early urban had till old age. From some, we have considered S as sin theta, and the formula of sin theta is opposite side upon hypotenuse side. The second word is officers. From officers, we have considered O as opposite side, and the next word is hair. From hair, we have considered H as hypotenuse. So here is an answer ready. The next word is curly. From curly, we have considered C as cos theta, and the formula of cos theta is adjacent side upon hypotenuse side. And the next word is urban. From urban, we have considered A as adjacent side, and the next word is head. From the head, we have considered H as hypotenuse. So answer is ready. The next word is till. From till, we have considered T as tan theta. The formula of tan theta is opposite side upon adjacent side. So the second last word is old. From old, we have considered O as opposite side, and the last word is age. From age, we have considered A as adjacent side. So remember the first 3 trigonometric identities. We have to remember this sentence. That is, some officers have early urban hair till old age. Next slide. My next slide is about trick to learn squares from 11 to 20. The first step is write squares of the numbers from 1 to 10 on the right side. Second step, write the numbers from 12 to 30 by skipping 1 digit on the left side. Third step, add the numbers which are red in color. So our first example is 11 square. So we have write 12 on the right side and there is plus 1, that is 1 square. So the numbers which are red in color, we have to add them. So 12 plus 0 is 12 and the remaining number is 1, we have to put it at the end. Like this we can learn the squares from 11 to 20 and above. Next slide. We all know that it is very difficult to divide long numbers. So here are some super simple divisibility rules. First, divisible by 2. If last digit is a multiple of 2, that number is divisible by 2. Divisible by 3. If sum of the digits is divisible by 3, that number is divisible by 3. Divisible by 4. If last two digits are divisible by 4, that whole number is divisible by 4. Divisible by 5. If last digit is divisible, is digit 0 or 5, that number is divisible by 5. Divisible by 6. If last digit is divisible by 2, that number is if the log is a multiple of 2, that number is divisible by 6. Divisible by, second step, if the sum of the digits is divisible by 3, that number is also divisible by 6. Divisible by 9. If sum of the digits is divisible by 9, that whole number is divisible by 9. Divisible by 10. If a number ends in a 0, that number is definitely divisible by 10. Divisible by 12. If the sum of the digits is divisible by 3, that number is divisible by 12. Next, if the last two digits are divisible by 4, that number is also divisible by 12. On the last slide, there is one question for you. What is the number of the parking space covered by the car? Any guesses? Yes, right. So the answer is very simple. We have to just put the picture upside down. We all know that mathematics is a very difficult subject, but it is full of fun and tricks. Thank you all.